fatherless bastard, just mute your skull and I'm going to teach you how to fix Oswald CVs. First of all, I'm just gonna open the extra here to see clearly. And now, it's very easy. I'm just gonna share the cursor location there is in my case. So shut up, Jackwell. I'm gonna put it like here, like 50-60% to the side, I guess. And then now you do 2D cursor, convert it. There you go, it's fixed. And if you really want to have this, I mean, who the fuck wants this like to be out of bounds? So if you want to fix this, all you gotta do is just take the magnet and move it downwards. There you go, it's fixed. Very easy. Yeah, now you know things so smart on our cover.